you wanna switch up on the cake. Set free from the pressure of your grave. Set free to the nothing I know. Set straight into reality again. Whoa, you wanna switch up on the cake. Set free from the pressure of your grave. Set free to the nothing I know. Set straight into reality again. Might I take my medication, fix my body to my placement. My mind's full of broken places. Take the drug, fill the spaces. It just put me in my placement. It just made me feel amazing. I don't need any assistance. I don't need any vacation. I don't need any vacation. Audio through my head, make it pound. Seeing sounds, you should be glad you ain't me. Long nights, blowing smoke into the streets. Through my sheets, blurry sleeps every night of the week now. Focused up, having visions in my dreams now. Whoa, you wanna switch the fun cake. Set free from the pressure of your grave. Set free to the nothing I miss. Set straight into reality again.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Worry about yourself. Don't you worry about me. Worry about yourself. Don't you think about me. Think about yourself. Don't you go and fuck with me. Go and fuck yourself. I'ma do it on my own. I don't need no help. All these bitches on my line, they just see my wealth. All this money on my mind, all I think about. Shawty, everything is fine, I don't need you now. Every time you see me happy, you be feeling down. Bitch, you be see-through, I do not need you. Fuck you till I come, then you know I gotta leave you. I've been on my own, trying to do it for my people. Don't tell me you know if you ain't riding with me though. Feel like Vice City when I'm cruising on a speedboat. Feel like San Andreas when I'm cooling with my amigos. I've been putting in work, but I ain't moving them kilos. Got your bitch wet, I sing to her like I'm Neo. I've been working hard, gotta do it for myself though. I've been on my job, but don't hit me on my cell phone. I just want a big booty salty, that's a red bone. You ain't heard about me, ho, it's global, yeah, I'm well known. Don't you worry about me, worry about yourself. Don't you think about me, think about yourself. Don't you go and fuck with me, go and fuck yourself. I'ma do it on my own, I don't need no help. All these bitches on my line, they just see my wealth. All this money on my mind, all I think about. Shawty, everything is fine, I don't need you now. Every time you see me happy, you be feeling down.
I'm just chillin' with some bitches cause that's how I'm living. And I'm getting all these sats, get them just for spending. Buy a couple Tommy shirts and some pillow fitteds. All I rock is vintage, all I rock is vintage. Smoke up in the Audi with those windows tinted. Making all this music, give a fuck who listens. Horses in my closet cause I fuck up digits. All I rock is vintage, all I rock is vintage. Drinking Fiji water, splashing like a fish. I ain't got no time to care about a bitch. Busy counting money, Louis on my hip. Yeah, I'm rocking 101, don't give a shit. I Tommy, Tommy, rockin' vintage Tommy, yeah, vintage Tommy, 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 rockin' vintage Tommy, 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 got some vintage, yeah. I got some bitches rockin' vintage Tommy. Some bitches rockin' vintage Tommy.
I wrote this song just thinking about your eyes. Like the hands of Odell, you caught me by surprise. If hands never tick, then I'd be with you all the time. I'm sorry that I told you all those lies. I'm sorry that you cried. I'm thankful that you taught me how to fly. Maybe now I can head into the sky. My little sister love you like the frosting on that birthday cake. Now smile bright and let me see that face. Yeah, I thank God for you. Yeah, girl, I thank God for you. Yeah, it's true. I thank God for you. Yeah, baby, I thank God for you. Do you pray too? I thank God for you. Yeah. I love you.
I'm alone when you left and you got right back. You drove a Beamer but I'm still on the bike rack. I don't tryna make you feel I ain't like that. Told me that you love me but that's not a right fact. Yeah, I'll jeopardize the game and I know I'm not the same, but I'm not too much different, all these rappers seem lame. Yeah, I'll jeopardize the game and I know I'm not the same, but I'm not too much different, all these rappers seem lame. I'm alone when you left me, you got right back. You drove a Beamer but I'm still on the bike rack. I'm tryna make you feel I ain't like that. You told me that you love me but that's not a right fact.
Shawty, don't be mad if I go and hit a lick. Shawty, don't be mad if I show up at your crib. My phone is blowing up, but my line you can still hit. Your friends, they don't know shit, they all sipping on the gin. Don't stole my heart, you're like a work of art. People hating on me, they all wanna play the part. Yeah, I call your hand, draw your name on the sand. Shawty, you know you didn't want, I want you to have it all. Yeah.
I'm alone when you left me, you got right back. You drove a Beamer but I'm still on the bike rack. I'm tryna make you feel I ain't like that. Told me that you love me but that's not a right fact. Yeah, I'll jeopardize the game and I know I'm not the same, but I'm not too much different, all these rappers seem lame. Yeah, I'll jeopardize the game and I know I'm not the same, but I'm not too much different, all these rappers seem lame.
Why you mad, why you mad, why you stressing? I feel like John Cena, yeah, I'm out here flexing. Counting bands, counting blessings. Diamonds dripping off my necklace. I got dope in my sweat glands. Finger rolling paper with the left hand. Ballin' with no headband. Running to the check, I need a bread man. Hating you a dead man.
I'm alone when you left me, you got right back. You drove a Beamer but I'm still on the bike rack. I'm tryna make you feel I ain't like that. Told me that you love me but that's not a right fact. Yeah, I'll jeopardize the game and I know I'm not the same, but I'm not too much different. All these rappers seem to lame. Yeah, I'll jeopardize the game, and I know I'm not the same, but I'm not too much different. All these rappers seem to lame. I'm alone when you left me, you got right back. You drove a Beamer, but I'm still in the bike rack. I'm trying to make you feel I ain't like that. You told me that you love me, but that's not a right fact, yeah.
Okay, you can't fuck with my squad. Just got a call, then tell you go hard. I'm so gone when I'm off for the booze. Mixed with suicidal thoughts, might jump on that roof. You can't fuck with my squad. Just got a call, then tell you go hard. I'm so gone when I'm off for the booze. Mixed with suicidal thoughts, might jump on the roof. I don't want that girl, yeah, I just want that Rari. I know I'm a dick, but I still ain't saying sorry. Run out with my clique, and we know we hit that party. Baby, take a sip, then go mix it with the Cardi. You can't fuck with my squad. Bitch, I'm a boss, yeah, you know I call the shots. Yeah, I got the sauce, and I sauce on the mall. I'ma make that guap, then go ball at the mall. Ooh, can't fuck with my squad. Yeah. I don't really fuck with y'all. Yeah. Okay, you can't fuck with my squad. Just got a call, then tell you go hard. I'm so gone when I'm off for the booze. Mixed with suicidal thoughts, might jump on that roof. You can't fuck with my squad. Just got a call, then tell you go hard. I'm so gone when I'm off for the booze. Mixed with suicidal thoughts, might jump on the roof. Ain't nobody really fucking with me like they always saying. All these people hit me up, but I know that they be fake. Gonna grab the lawnmower, finally cut off all you snakes. I just wanna one day finally get up out this place, but that's always been the dream. Same shit at different days. So I pop a few Zans and try to eliminate this pain, but it's never gonna change, and I always feel the same. I don't know what to do, my life is looking plain. Never feel excited, and it's always been this way. I wanna make it out, I wanna get up out this rain. They say you had my back, but always saw me in this pain. I'm tired of this shit, and I'm so tired of these days. Sleepless nights, anxiety, just ain't no good for me. I smoke up all this dope and I always check my phone every 5 minutes, even though that I'm alone. Nobody hit me up, I'm always feeling like a ghost. I just wanna find some peace, but know it feels like home. Always smoking up and sipping on some styrofoam. Yeah, I got this guap and that iPhone rose gold, but that don't mean I'm happy, I'm just feeling so alone. I just want somebody who would listen and can cope. I don't know what to do cause I can't trust a soul. Sipping all this lean but still these problems overflow. I ain't got shit to lose like I'm on death row. Say you understand but you don't even fucking know. Every day I wake up and I'm always feeling low. I just chase this dream and hope that one day I will blow. I've just had enough and hope that one day this will stop. I'll just keep on working and grinding to the top, yeah.
When I think of love, I see your face. But when I think of you, I think of pain. My heart and mind are not on the same page. It's obvious I get carried away. All of the things that I don't know, all of the feelings I don't show. My mind doesn't know where to go though. Got me standing in place like a photo. But I know you don't know, I should know by now. And every time that I make up my mind and you know it's too late, cause I ran out of time and you know it. Now it's 3 AM and I'm on the phone, checking on your page while I'm all alone. You think I'll learn or I try to change? What is this always and the same? I'm tired of falling out of love. I'm tired of a rise and fall. I'll leave me first.
get you going. I hit the button, I kick the flow. Your favorite rapper turned John Doe. My flow cold, about 10 below. No footprints, I walk through the snow. I swore it on me, I let it go. I'm smoking weed and I'm lying low. Shouts on my woes in Kyoto. I'm sipping act, I need a golden glow. My golden grill with that golden glow. My top back and we driving slow. Couple carrots on her pinky toe. I rob the plug and I kick the dope. Ralph Lauren, head to toe. I been chillin' with my bitch Shawty. Feet up, rollin' the bitch with Shawty. Blood guts in the ashtray. Weed in my lab and I'm watching anime. Sippin' rock shampoo and a little champagne. Screamin' R.I.P. to the young the way bass. R.I.P. to the young the way bass. Screamin' R.I.P. to the young the way bass. Dope smoking in Tokyo. Dope smoking in Tokyo. Dope smoking in Tokyo. Oh yeah, yeah. Dope smoking in Tokyo. Dope smoking in Tokyo. Dope smoking in Tokyo. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Smoking in Tokyo. Dope smoking in Tokyo. Dope smoking in Tokyo. Dope smoking in Tokyo. Oh yeah.
Kick it like this for real. So we make moves together. We hang together for real. We kick it at the house, at the crib. We go from the carrier. We go in the Magnolia. We go anywhere, you know. We bump each other's shit, you know. We for real. Good gang, ain't no motherfucking game. We do our dirt together. You see what I'm saying? Big head on the beat.
Yeah, you must be 12, you like a copper cuffin' on that guy. I treat that guy like a guy, can't lie though, I love that time. My whole like hoes, I let them kiss and I do more than watch. My show to show your bitch bought tickets just so she could watch. You must be 12, you like a copper cuffin' on that guy. I treat that guy like a guy, can't lie though, I love that time. My whole like hoes, I let them kiss and I do more than watch. My show to show your bitch bought tickets just so she could watch. There's no way we're in this shit for life. Moving swiftly like the creatures lurking through the night. On this tide, I'll see them in the sky. Now we got them angel wings watching over the guys. One day, maybe I'll be rich. Maybe I can make a change if life was such a bitch. One day, maybe I'll be rich. Maybe I could make a chance if life was such a bitch. Real tight, fuck a shirt, buku where you on the skin. Used to walk around the block, now we speeding in the Benz. Used to have no hoes, now I can't stand these little hoes. I'll get shot up from my bros, let that Glock potters from my bros, yeah. This year, I'm a fucking ball. Keep my conversation sure, I need my money tall. These hoes sneaky, that's why I can't be worried about bitches. Fuck that doctor, did watch her hit up another nigga. You must be 12, you like a copy cuffin' on that guy. I treat that guy like a guy, can't lie though, I love that time. My whole like hoes, I let them kiss and I do more than watch. My show to show your bitch bought tickets just so she could watch. You must be 12, you like a copy cuffin' on that guy. I treat that guy like a guy, can't lie though, I love that time. My whole like hoes, I let them kiss and I do more than watch. My show to show your bitch bought tickets just so she could watch.
friends, nah, I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends. Want no friends, nah, I don't really want no friends. I don't even really wanna be like this. She be falling in love when I be touching up on her tits, but I never gave a fuck about a basic bitch. Nah, I never gave a fuck about somebody like this. Oh, 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 you don't know what you talking about. Oh, 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 I'm a different type of nigga now. I don't really want no friends. Want no friends, nah, I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends. Want no friends, nah, I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends. Want no friends, nah, I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends. Want no friends, nah, I don't really want no friends.
I don't really want no friends. Hey! Kitchen counter whipping for a Benz, got a new view. I don't wanna chase it, nothing is a basic. I don't need help, I'm popping up and I replace it. Creeping out the cut, I'm switching back up on my blade. You a loose stain, it's a shame that the game's changed. You a motherfucking pussy in your bed, it keep you dissing dizzy bitty with your money, not be feeling the resistance. Thinking I'm crippling, must be the villain, forget what you heard. All of these people, they follow me blindly. See, I am the shepherd and they are the herd. It's about time that you're fixed up, better get your licks up. I don't fuck around your fucking clan, I got a one up, left, right, up, down, back, forward and a fight. Fucking taking pictures, I don't really wanna fight.
Oh, 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 you don't know what you talking about. Oh, 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 I'm a different type of nigga now. I don't really want no friends. Want no friends, nah, I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends. Want no friends, nah, I don't really want no friends.
trying to focus. Niggas steady lying in they rap, so they shit be the hocus. Tell me what's the motive? Breathing in the motherfucking fumes to the chest getting open. Riding with the hex and the omen. Can't feel my motherfucking face cause my head it is floating, slipping. Can't compare the odds, we are different. See the demons lurking in the target, I'm in it. And that is for a minute, I'm sinning. No, we gotta keep the raps gritty. Raps from the dungeon. Crack another wood to the face cause mask getting blunted. Told him that it's nothing if he get the bluffing. Then I'm down for the bucket. Heard your raps, the sound it is sucking. Best keep it moving when I'm out in the public.
I think I'm into you for real. I'm really into you for real. Wanna get into you and feel something that I'll never tell. No, I think I'm into you for real. I'm really into you for real. Wanna get into you and feel something that I never felt before. Oh man, here we go again. Run it up and then pack your bags and baby fuck me in the bed. Top dropped, hair blowing in the wind. With you by my side, I'ma always win. And I'm not tryna stress you. I know you're depressed too. And it's death your middle name. Cause baby girl, you slay. Oh, you're killing me. So what is it gonna be? I think I'm into you for real. I'm really into you for real. Wanna get into you and feel something that I'll never tell. No, I think I'm into you for real. I'm really